Before we go into the details of the webinar, we would like to talk a bit about Brandix i3 and the Brandix Group. Brandix i3 is the IT consulting arm of the Brandix Group, a 700 million apparel conglomerate and strategic supplier to Victoria's Secrets, Gap, M&S, H&M and other main brands in the world. Brandix i3 delivers enterprise resource planning, enterprise software development, and business improvement consulting services across the healthcare, fashion, manufacturing, and food and beverage domains to a growing portfolio of global customers. With a global footprint across the US, Australia, and Sri Lanka, Brandix i3 continues to make a strong strides in the business improvement and enterprise application space by offering customers with business drivers for growth and success. Today we have Taraka Jayalath, the product manager for Accellar, conducting the webinar. He has more than 9 years of experience in ERP design, development and implementation. He also has 10 plus years of experience in the industry. He has 3 years of successful project management expertise, and the reason that he is a great value addition to the Accellar team as well as to the Brandix i3 is due to his background in software engineering and his business knowledge that he has gained by working as a business analyst. Over to you, Taraka. Thank you.
Thank you, Malinder, and good evening, everyone. As the product tagline states, accelerate your business. Accellar is a solution made by the apparel industry for the apparel industry. And in the next few minutes, you will learn how the solution will help your company reduce its manufacturing cost and give you a better return on your investment. And today we'll be covering its key benefits, reasons as to why you need the Accellar solution, the core processes covered by Accellar, and product features and its business impact. Accellar was developed by my team with the help of apparel industry specialists. We have addressed the issues that are really important to your business. It is focused on delivering increased speed to market, increased ROI, integration of multiple systems. In a recent seminar conducted by a leading security consultant firm on data backups revealed that total world's information system have 69% of invalid data, and we call that dark data. So let's discuss that later, but I'm sure you know that data is money and it needs to be handled carefully. Therefore, we have ensured that Accellar captures only relevant data in an easily accessible manner. We have designed this solution to accelerate apparel manufacturing operations, and it's designed specifically to cover the core processes of merchandising, cost accounting, inventory, manufacturing, and logistics. Accellar has been developed based on real-life high-volume apparel production. It has been continuously improved for 9 years with inputs from industry experts and best practices. It is a well-proven solution with one of our customers engaged in more than 2,800 users, which has enabled the production of 75 brands in over 25 facilities across the country. Accellar can help in overcoming value challenges, which I have seen over the years, and offer the support needed when you need to take the company to the next level. Customers are always looking for the lowest prices, short lead times, and numerous styles in less quantity. They are also less willing to make long-term commitments and, as you know, frequently request last-minute changes to their orders. So these demands, together with the rising cost of operations, diminish a manufacturer's profit margins, as you know. So when faced with such challenges, choosing an appropriate ERP system is of paramount importance. I'm sure all of you know this by now. So the key differentiators, what makes Accellar special or unique when compared to the other ERP systems, basically it's a complete implementation in 3 months. So it's a quick implementation basically, and it has the ability to make last minute changes to orders, scalability, user friendliness, It is built upon merchandiser's calendar, FIFO inventory, that is the most accurate inventory system, data backup, recovery, and easy maintenance, as well as mobility, so you can stay connected on the go through your mobile devices as well. The one of the key features I would say is that you can integrate Accellar with any finance, planning, and even logistics tools. Let's look at some of the key benefits that Accellar can offer. Like I mentioned before, it's a complete implementation in 3 months. The speed to market is one of the key benefits. It could track cycle times and integration with buyers, suppliers, EDIs. It could also capture detailed data across order stages in simple steps, and it's built according to a time and action plan. It also has configurable multi-level approval mechanisms and also minimizing record redundancy, which is something that is very common in the apparel industry right now. It also helps reduce margin erosion and improve profitability. And in case if you have peripheral systems, Accellar can be easily plugged in. Let's now take a look at the key modules covered in Accellar. It covers key processes such as merchandising, manufacturing, procurement, inventory, and logistics. And it has a very accurate and efficient pre-costing module and a systematic purchase order process which can automatically send the POs to your supplier. So that's something that you don't really see in some of the ERP systems that we have in the world today. And from an inventory perspective, it offers an accurate FIFO inventory system, first in, first out, and most importantly, it provides visibility to your entire raw material stock and the status. It also gives you visibility to the status of your production flow in just a click of a button. Moving on to the look and feel of the solution, some of the key features, as we have emphasized in the previous slides, we have made the system input screens very similar to Excel data entry, which is very common, and a lot of people, one of the challenges that a lot of people face nowadays in those very complex ERP systems is the adaptability. So here we have made it very Excel, and I'm sure everyone is very familiar with Excel. So we made this very similar to Excel data entry system to make it user friendly and easily understandable as well. It also helps the user make accurate and reliable purchasing requirement calculations. And help your company improve its entire value chain system. And I have personally seen an increase in supplier interactions, on-time delivery, and quality in some of the customers whom we have implemented Accellar solution. And these are some other features. I think we've spoken about the seamless procurement POS and the inventory operations process. And Accellar has a powerful report engine that can create some of the essential reports that is required to your business, and which is pretty much essential part of the industry right now. I mean, ranging from style activity reports to job sheet reports, stock on hand reports, inventory status reports, and even to the extent of creating age analysis reports. And it also has the ability, another key feature is that it has the ability to control the access of a user in multiple teams, multiple departments, and multiple companies. So now that you have a good understanding of the product capabilities, let us recap as to why Accellar should be your preferred ERP. As we spoke earlier, it's a complete implementation in a time span as short as 3 months. Brandix, being an expert in the apparel domain, has that required knowledge and strong product capabilities. And finally, Brandix i3 has a dedicated set of trained specialists providing support and managed services. So that's about it. Over to you, Malinda.
Thank you, Taraga. If you have any questions or if you want to get in touch with us, you can email or call any of these numbers given below. You can either call Hemant or either way, and hope we will get to work with you soon. Thank you and good night.